How do I withdraw my WDD token on my account? So welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can withdraw your earnings from this particular token platform. Okay, so what you just need to do is to pay attention, watch this video from this moment to the very end so you don't get to skip any part. You just need to watch this video step by step because this video is going to be logical. Okay, so you just need to pay close attention to how I'm going to be placing withdrawal on my account. Now you need a contact address to be able to place withdrawal on your account. To get this contact address, you are going to be finding my Telegram channel pinned to this video. You're going to be finding it below this particular video, the first link on the pinned comment section. Just join the Telegram channel. You're going to be seeing your contact address, and note, you need your contact address to place withdrawal on this particular platform. Now before we proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is the voice of Joaquin. So what we do right on this platform is to leverage online and earn for ourselves. Now if this sounds like what you're interested in, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. Now you can do well to join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. That is where you can actually find the contact address for your withdrawal. Now with that being said, let's dive into the business of today. Now to place withdrawal, right here you can see that my basic income are actually counting. So I'm going to claim this first of all so it can add up to what I have on my account. So right now, to place withdrawal on your account, the first thing you need to do is to copy the contact address. Now after copying the contact address, you need to go over to the wallet. Now this is actually where you have to be. Now you just have to come to this particular place where you have the home, market, trade, discover and wallet. Now click on wallet. Now you're going to be seeing this particular plus sign right here. You're going to be seeing this plus sign right here. Just go ahead to click on that plus sign. So right now, what you just need to do, you're going to be finding all network right here. Come right under all network, click on all network, then come down right and select base, because we're actually converting this into Ethereum base. So copy that particular contract address you have actually copied from the Telegram channel. That is why I said you need to join the Telegram channel to copy the contact address. So once you've copied that, come right here and paste that contact address and click on search. Now once you click on search, you're going to be coming down right here to select this last one right here. So you're going to be picking this particular last one you're finding right here. So that is what you just need to pick. So let's go over to our account and see if we have this on our account. So right now when you come under our account, you can actually see that we have the WDD wallet right here. So this is the wallet that we are actually trying to transfer to. So what you just need to do is to go over it, click on it, then come down to receive right here and copy the wallet address. So right now, the next thing we want to do right now is to transfer our funds to the WDD wallet. Then from there, we can now move this to our preferred wallet. Now to do that, we just need to go over to our account, come down to discover right here, then come over to this particular place that says enter DApp name or URL. So click on that, then click on your account. Then once you are logged in, the next thing you want to do right now is to come over to where you can actually place your withdrawal. Okay, now to place your withdrawal, all you just need to do, let me quickly claim this. To place your withdrawal, all you just need to do is to come down to this three icon right here. So once you click on that, you're going to be finding your wallet. So click on your wallet. Now once you come over to your wallet, you're going to be seeing the withdraw icon right here. So go ahead to click on withdraw. Now you're going to be pasting your wallet address you copied from your WDD wallet. Okay, so right now we've pasted that, and under network, what you're going to be selecting is the base right here. Okay, so come down right here and select the base, then come down right here and click on max. So once you've done that, click on withdraw. Okay, so just go ahead to click on withdraw. So you can see that withdrawal sent. So instantly you're getting this into your WDD wallet. So let's go over to our main account to confirm we have withdrawn the WDD token to our wallet. Okay, so right now we are going over to our account. So once you come over to your wallet right here, this is the WDD wallet. You can actually see that we have a total of 280 WDD token on our account. Now we actually use this to swap our token. Now to place withdrawal on your account, you just have to go back to your account. Now come down to discover. Once you click on discover, we are actually heading over to our account. So this is actually our account. So once you come over to your account, the next thing you want to do right now is to come down to wallet. Now once you click on wallet, you can see the total balance we have on our account. So make sure you have done your KYC before you can actually reach out to this process of withdrawal. Now to place your withdrawal, come down to trade right here. So once you click on trade, you're going to be finding the WDD based on Uniswap. So click on that. So once you click on that, it's going to take you over to where you're going to be swapping this particular token. So once you come over to this interface, since you're coming for the first time, you have to connect your wallet to this particular platform. So once you've connected that, you can now go ahead to click on sell. But before that, you can see that my total balance of my WDD wallet as reflected here. You can see over 280.41, which is equivalent to $2.41 on my account. Now to go ahead to swap right here, the next thing I want to do is to click on sell. Now once you click on sell, you're going to be finding your wallet right here, which is the WDD. The next thing you want to do is to click on max. That's the total amount I have on my WDD. Now you need to select the other network or the other crypto you want to actually sell your WDD token to. Now you can go ahead to click on select token. So once you click on select token, you can come down right here and select the base Ethereum. Now once you select the base Ethereum, just come down right here and click on review. But right here you can actually see that it says not enough Ethereum on base to swap. That means you don't have enough Ethereum to be swapped right now. So the next thing we want to do is to accumulate more points on our account so we can be able to swap to our Ethereum base. And so from our Ethereum base, we can actually move this to any of our crypto wallets we want to use to place withdrawal. It can be your USDT, it can be your TRX, or any of your wallets. But first of all, we just have to move our WDD token down to Ethereum base. From Ethereum base, then we can move them to any of our crypto wallets we want to actually transfer our funds to. That is why we are unable to withdraw right here. You can actually come down right here where it says not enough Ethereum. So once you have the total number of Ethereum and the total number of WDD token, you can go ahead to place your withdrawal from this interface. Now another thing you should note is that whenever you want to swap from your token, from your WDD token to any network, you need a gas fee to be able to successfully swap right here and place withdrawal on your account. So to get this gas fee, you can actually do it yourself, or you send me a message and I'm going to be getting this gas fee for you to be able to swap on your account. So that is only what you need to give access to your swapping on your account. So peradventure you have accumulated enough earnings on your account, all you just need to do is to compile these tokens, and once you want to swap into different networks right here, whether the USDT or any network at all, you just need a gas fee, just like an entrance fee, to have access to always swap tokens on your account. So once you have this one-time gas fee, you can be able to swap any token of your choice right on your account and place withdrawal from that account to any crypto wallet you actually want to send funds to. So that is how you can place withdrawal on your account. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. If you have any questions regarding all what I just explained, feel free to drop them on the comment section below and I'll be glad to give response to that. And so see you on my next video, and keep winning.